this really nice set of 2 bronze metal tables. They are 16-inch square patio tables, a good accent piece, a little coffee bistro accent end tables for outside. They're made of tempered glass, and they are sturdy. You can see the glass is great resistant, and they come in this beautiful finish that keeps them from rusting. They're great accent pieces. We have several in our home. They're good for outside and inside. They can be in small spaces or in large yards as well. They're a nice aesthetic solution for those who appreciate a place to put their drinks and their cups when they're outside, or their phone, or all their extra things. As you can see, we have them nicely placed here with our outdoor relaxing chairs by our pool. A nice accent. No assembly required. Place them anywhere you like, right out the box, and they are fit to go. They're also great for apartment spaces, dorms, and spaces where you need to maximize space.